Have you ever wondered how Apple's latest AI advancements are revolutionizing the tech landscape? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of Apple foundation models, which are at the forefront of this revolution. Apple's foundation models are pre-trained AI models that can be fine-tuned for a wide range of tasks, from natural language processing to computer vision. These models are designed to be versatile and adaptable, allowing developers to build custom solutions that cater to their specific needs. The best part? They're built on Apple's own hardware and software, making them seamlessly integrate with existing Apple ecosystems. One of the key benefits of Apple Foundation models is their ability to save time and effort. With pre-trained models, developers can skip the time-consuming process of building and training their own AI model from scratch. According to Apple, their foundation models can achieve state-of-the-art results in just a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods. For example,